Okay, so here we are doing a little review. So a few things. One, we should know how to manipulate our formula of a speed and velocity equation. We should know that that's essentially the same equation. The only difference being that velocity, we need to keep direction in mind, or speed, we don't have to keep direction in mind. We're thinking the total distance that I traveled, where again, velocity only cares about where you started and where you ended. Okay, now we need to talk about how speed and velocity are represented graphically. So for uniform motion, or where my velocity is the same, I'm going to have a straight line on a position, I'm going to have like a straight sloped line on a position versus time graph, and I'm going to have a straight constant relationship or a straight horizontal line on a velocity versus time graph. So now it is very important, okay, that you're going and you're paying attention to the variables that are on your axes when you're looking at a question that involves a graph. Remember that when you're looking at a graph, if it's a position versus time graph, then slope is telling you what the velocity is. If it's a velocity versus time graph, then the area underneath that line is telling you what the displacement is.